Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking account prerequisites and immediate resources so you can act now. Verify daily free pulls, banner time left, and your current pity count. Once done, allocate 50+ in-game currency toward this banner and lock your priority unit to avoid impulse pulls. Make sure to note soft pity thresholds and any guaranteed mechanics so you understand why pull timing matters and how your early decisions shape later outcomes. You proceed by sequencing pulls to hit efficient windows. Start with small singles to conserve pity until you approach soft pity, then switch to 10x multis to capitalize on increased rates. Once done, split backups across concurrent banners if you chase multiple units, but prioritize your locked target. Make sure to use event coupons and limited discounts before main currency, because those bursts increase value and reduce wasted pulls, while preserving your long-term pity trajectory and mitigation plans. You finalize by securing your new pulls and reconciling inventory to prevent loss or accidental upgrades. After pulling, confirm items, lock priority units, and shift leftover currency into future banners or pity pools. If you miss the target, pause and reassess rather than chase losses. Waiting for a stronger banner or using trade-in or consolation mechanics preserves resources. One key troubleshooting tip: if rates seem off, restart the client and double-check account region and banner version to rule out display or server sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.